So the pool is clean. Yeah, my husband worked on it. Like, I haven't swum in a while, so I just got up trying to do a little vlog. I'm gonna go in here, y'all. Put my foot in the water a little bit. See, I can see. It's just good to have a little pool in your backyard. Sometimes you could just go in there, you know, do stuff. Put your feet in the water. Get a little relaxed. Meditate. And, woo, oh my God, it feels good. So this is a pool cleaner, just cleaning up. So today I'm actually gonna vlog with you guys. I have a couple things to do. I want to go to Home Depot, go check on some paints because we have to paint this pool floor. It's looking crazy. You want to be in my video? Okay, that's my dog. Like, she goes crazy when I get outside. Like, oh my God, Miss Kid, get off my back. Say hi. Say hi. Crazy puppy. All right, that's it, y'all. So this is the beginning. This is how I start out my day. Get my feet wet. And yeah. Let's go see what we're getting for breakfast. So my nail room needs to be cleaned. This is where I do my hair. This is my little business station, my printer, stuff I got from Canva that I'm waiting to pass out one of these days. I'm just waiting to get my refund. And the nail room is dirty right now. It might not look dirty, but to me, it needs to be organized. I need to get some stuff up out of here. My gel polishes, everything looked messed up. So after working, this is just what happens. That's my monitor. My table getting scuffy from all the work. Well, actually, I'm eating, y'all, so if I sound crazy, I'm eating. So there you go. See how scuffed up my table is? But the good thing about this is when I purchased this table, I ended up putting a little cover over it, the little acrylic top. So my table is safe, so I need to just change the acrylic glass top on top of it. I should go check that out today at Home Depot also. And that's my table light. It's my little section. Y'all can see my big logo. I like this logo because every time I look at it, it just makes me feel good. And it just makes me, you know what I'm about. Joe's Nails Get Nailed by a Pro. And that's just how I feel about myself and my business. And it represents me. And that's why I have it there. My ring light. I mean, this is just my little studio space. Right? This is where the magic happens. So I do need to get in here and clean today. So I hope I don't have too much to clean. But I'm going to show you guys. And I should be going to Home Depot today. So we'll see. That's my little window. That's outside. Grass getting green. My window fan. That needs to be cleaned too. Okay guys, so I'm going to invite you guys to come clean with me today. So let's get into it. So I got my paper towel, my cleaning solution ready, and I'm just removing some stuff from here. And I'm just getting ready to just wipe up all this dust. Now when you do nails, a lot of times you have dust everywhere. It's not something you can really control. So the only thing you could do is just really clean your space thoroughly. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am just wiping down every single thing, making sure there's no dust anywhere, because I don't need my allergies to be acting up once I'm doing clients. I don't want to be sneezing in front of anybody. I just want the place to be nice and clean, airy, and smell good. So I'm just removing and taking down some of these stuff here. Oh my goodness, something just fell. Okay, so this is a gift I had gotten, and this gift, you actually plug it in and you just put the wax in there, so you don't have to light anything, and that keeps the nail room sweet all day, smelling good, smelling like candle wax. So if you're not into like lighting little candles, then this is an option for you. So I'm just making sure my TV is cleaned, and I'm just removing stuff. You know, this balloon here I had since Valentine's Day, and I thought it was so pretty and beautiful, so I just decided just to keep it. It's just something about the stripes and the heart that, you know, that gets me. And I'm just putting up my little love, putting up my stuff, just moving everything basically, and making sure everything is dust free and clean. So as you can see, I'm just making sure I'm wiping everything down, you know, putting back stuff. So I wanted to make sure that the nail room is thoroughly clean, get these decorations, pour everything out, just clean everything to the T. Okay, so a part of doing nails, you know, is keeping your environment clean. You want customers come and then your stuff is dirty, so you want to make sure you do this before the customer get there, or you can even do this on your day off, right? Because a lot of times you'll go to nail techs and you'll see stuff dirty here and dirty there. Especially if you're a home nail tech, you want to make sure your surroundings is clean, because you want your customers to say, hey, this person, they were from home, but at least their surroundings is welcoming and I feel comfortable and safe going to that person. Now as you can see, I'm just removing some of this stuff. Now that bottle I just placed up there, I had gotten that free from the nail supply. It's like a sanitizer solution. I don't know if they just gave it to me for free or they were giving them away for free, but they gave it to me and I was appreciative. I was happy for it. You know, you don't get things for free these days, but you know, it's sanitizer, so I was happy. I always make sure I have sanitizer on hand, because we got to make sure that the customers are safe, we are safe. You know, all these viruses and all this extra stuff going around, we just want to take extra precaution. And as you can see, I am thoroughly wiping down everything, right? At this point I was thinking like, okay, should I stop the recording or should I just continue? So I just decided to continue. So this is kind of a slightly long video for me, just, you know, watching me clean. So but this is a part of my day and this is actually what I did. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to show you nails all day, but I'm going to show you other things so you see exactly what a nail tech goes through. Okay, so I'm just moving some of the stuff now. I just decided to go in here and just straighten up some of these acrylic, just put them back, just straighten up some of these acrylic, making sure everything is nice and in order, so when I'm ready I can actually find stuff. I try to be so organized. In the beginning when I just started doing nails, like sometimes I couldn't find my stuff because I'm not putting them back in the right place. But as I became a professional, I realized it's essential for you to put your stuff back in the same place, that where you could find it. And when you're, you know, when you're thinking about designs, you know exactly where to go get your glitter or get your white polish or even go get your rhinestones. You want to make sure in your mind you know where each and every item is, and that's essential for you to put your stuff back. Now I was looking at this poster and it was just looking dirty, so I just decided to go up here. Now remind you, I am standing on that swivel chair and it just felt kind of dangerous, so I decided just to get done real fast because I am scared of height, even though standing in the swivel chair is not that high. But it was kind of scary and there was nobody there to help me. So, you know, just to be on the safe side, I just got down. Now this is the trash that came out of the room. It's not that bad, it's mostly paper towel, but I really just needed to deep clean this room. Okay guys, so I fully cleaned up the nail room, and I just want to sit here and chit chat with you guys for a little bit. And I just want to let you know, doing nails is not easy sometimes, especially when you're an entrepreneur and you're trying to get your own money. Getting clients can sometimes be difficult, but if you just hang in there, keep your surroundings clean, and just take care of what you got to take care of, then the Lord will bless you and the clients will start coming. All right, but the first thing first, you got to keep your surroundings clean. So as you can see, I have cleaned up the nail room, and it wasn't that dirty, but it just looks more clean, more presentable, less cluttered. I decluttered it a little bit. All right, and let me see. So, you know, just let's see what's going on in the rest of my day. I will try to vlog through. I'm not good at vlogging, but I will try to vlog through and let you guys, you know, see what happens the rest of the day. I probably got to pick up my son from school, maybe go to Home Depot. Not sure about that yet, but I'm going to get into some nails, and I'm just going to do a little set for you guys real quick. All right, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to show you guys a little nail set, something nice. So I'm actually just going in, just buffing off the nails, just trying to make sure that once I polish these, everything will stick. But today I'm actually feeling like doing some foils. I love foils. They're easy. Most times they're easy to transfer. They don't take a lot of time, and the design just always come out so bomb and beautiful, right? So as you can see, I'm using my Macart right now to do the nail foil transfer. This is the Macart for foil gel. Okay, and at this point I'm just trying to choose, you know, something nice. So I decided to go with the blue today because I was just in a blue mood, you know, blue mood. All right, so as you can see, the Macart transfer foil is really, really good. So once you put it on and you dry for 60 seconds, you just put your foil on there, and voila, it's like magic, right? So I'm just doing that, just transferring the foil, and it has some flowers on here, and this is like really, really pretty. I decided just to go with a clear, natural look because I didn't want too much going on today, and I was in the process of cleaning, and I just had a lot going on. All right, so this is a vlog, and I didn't want to spend too much time doing the nails, so I just decided to do something quick for you guys. And yeah, so let's continue. So as you can see, at this point I'm just putting some rhinestones on here. I just decided to spot this in the LED light, and we are done. Like voila. All right, so I'm just cleaning up the sides, and I'm putting some glue drying spray to make sure those crystals are on, and here it is. And now I'm on my way to pick up my son from school, y'all. So here we are. I'm just trying to show you how nice this looks. It just have a nice clean look, and I am happy for this nail right here. You are a beginner doing nails, and you're actually doing nails from home. This is some of the stuff you're gonna have to do. You don't have any cleaning person that's gonna clean up your station or your area. You have to clean it up yourself. And you know, when your nail room is clean, you feel clean, and you know what, the money start coming in, right? When you declutter, and you clean up your home, you feel good. And right now the nail room is clean, and it feels airy, and you know, it has a turquoise color and some white, but it just feels nice and rich and complete, and it makes you feel happy and clean. And how you feel is how the customer is gonna feel also. So if you feel like your area is nice and clean and a little bit posh, you know, you want to go ahead and do your best to keep it that way, because at the end of the day, one of the worst things a client can say is they came, got their nails done, and your house or your place of business is messy or dirty. All right, so that's why I actually did this today in my little vlog, so you guys can see it's hard work. The nail room really wasn't that dirty, but sometimes you got to go in those crevices and corners, and you just got to dust and make sure everything looks good. I rearranged some of these stuff. My little flower right here is so pretty, and as you can see, it looks very, very decluttered, not like before where it just felt clustered with stuff, because I don't know what's going on. I just keep accumulating so many things, over and over again. And I'm even thinking about putting something on this wall, but I want this wall to stay like that just in case I have other stuff I want to do for you guys. So I need space. Sometimes I'll film here, sometimes I'll film there, sometimes I'll film here if I have like hair tutorials, but I haven't been doing any hair tutorials. I'm more focused on nails. And my graduation is coming up, so I might do some videos pertaining to my graduation, maybe just one or two for you guys to see. That's a very proud moment for me because I am getting up in age and I'm accomplishing so many things now that I did not accomplish when I was younger. So with that said, I'm proud of myself, and I want to share some of these moments with you. Not too many of these moments, but some of these moments. All right, so keep watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel.